flavor is of only 750 milliliters, but one bottle filter is enough to clean from 4,000 to 6,000 liters of water, depending on the model. Thanks to the absorbent carbon in the filter, the bottle not only eliminates any pollution or harmful substances, but it also neutralizes any smell or taste in the water. The bottle can be bought for $149 or $200. Swedish Army Fire Steel. If you want to survive in the wild, then you definitely need a device to light a campfire. The compact Swedish Army Fire Steel weighs only 1.5 ounces. It easily fits into your pocket and can produce a 2,980 degrees C or 5,400 Fahrenheit degrees spark. It was originally created for the needs of the Swedish Army, but today this device is used all over the world because it can work under any temperature at any height. The device costs $15.50. Global Sun Oven. This oven works with solar energy and can be used to boil water or cook food even under the hardest weather conditions. The small device is only 22 inches long, 15 inches wide and 22 inches high, and weighs 20 pounds. It doesn't need any fuel to work, only solar energy. The device has a built-in thermometer that allows you to regulate the heat level of the food. You can buy this device from the internet for only $300. Power Plus Barracuda LED Solar Wind-Up Torch. This lantern has 3 incredible bright LEDs and has different lighting modes. The battery allows the torch to work for 80 minutes in normal mode or 110 minutes in blinking mode. The LED's life cycle is 50,000 hours. The device's dimensions are 5.7 by 1.5 by 2.3 inches and it weighs 10 ounces. The price of the Power Plus Barracuda is $15. Survival Belt. This unique water and freeze-proof belt is very resistant, almost impossible to scratch. It doesn't deteriorate, it doesn't change color under UV light, and it doesn't tear apart. The belt is equipped with an automatic buckle, which fastens and unfastens literally with just one movement. The survival belt allows you to carry a knife, a saw, a screwdriver, a bottle opener, a lighter, and a GPS tracker. The device is universal and can come in handy in different situations. For example, if you need a strong rope to drag a boat out of the water or to bolt some wood.